everyone, welcome back to Abra Knowledge channel. So we are going to discuss from the book called Six Sigma Handbook, and it is for green belt, black belt and all the manager. Wonderful book. It covers every detail of Lean Six Sigma. So the topic which we are going to discuss today is spaghetti. Spaghetti chart is a wonderful chart, same like value stream mapping. In value stream mapping, you jerk it down what is value enabled, what is value added and what is non-value added. In a spaghetti chart, it gives like a stream, whatever the flows you have, whatever the workflows you have, how we can customize it, how we can have in a shorter path. So it is coming from the lean concept. In lean concept, as you know that there is something called muda. Muda means waste, right? This spaghetti covers in the team wood, transportation, inventory, motion, waiting time, overproduction, overprocessing, defect and unutilized skills. In that things, it narrowed down, it focuses on three wastages, three wastages. Number one, transportation. Number two, you have motion. Number three, waiting time. All of these things it covers. So this is the typical flow of spaghetti. So this is before and this is after. So what the complex workflow, the complex flow chart, it makes it more optimized. Let me talk about the application. Take an example of NASCAR. NASCAR, the racing car, right? In racing car, it takes only 14 seconds or less to change the wheel, all the four wheel, and to clean up the car, and even to change the fuel and all that. It takes only less than 14 seconds. What the concept they use? They use lean concept called spaghetti. Let me give you another example. The second example, it is being quoted in the same book, page number 436, which I am quoting from, and it says Kano factory, which is operated by General Motor and Suzuki. General Motor and Suzuki. It says that machine changeover time was reduced from 36 hours to just 6 minutes. So this is the powerful application of spaghetti, and in detail I will be explaining about. There is a detail being discussed in chapter number 11, which I will be discussing it. I hope you like this video. Please do share, subscribe my channel. You have wonderful day.